Hi! Good morning! Kumusta naman po ang life natin during this COVID-19 pandemic? As for me, na isang OFW, isang kasambahay dito sa Hong Kong, at some point, it's hard kasi nga po, andito sila amo, home base po silang nag-work. So, andito lang, hindi ka maka-work ng maigi kasi andyan lang sila, nakakalat. So, ang hirap ding makalinis. At saka hindi ka makalinis ng gusto mong linis kasi nga, alam mo yun, parang pinapanood ka na. So, since walang masyadong work, hindi ka masyadong makagalaw, for me personally, nag-stop ako saglit ng aking exercise kasi usually, I am doing some exercise Monday to Friday noon nung nag-work pa sila. I'm trying to reach a goal. Alam mo yun, to tone up my body. But din nung nagka-virus, wala na kasi nga kulong sila. At alam namang magtuwad-tuwad ako dyan na mag-exercise, eh, andyan na sila. So, nag-stop siya from, I think, January hanggang June. Nag-stop akong nag-exercise. So, lumubo ako. From 47 or 48 kilograms, nag-55 kilograms ako. From January to June. So, nung na-realize ko na walang nagkakasyang mga damit, tapos kapag nag-dress ako, nagbubal siyang aking tiyan. Tapos nung nagkilo ako yun na 55, parang bigla akong natauhan na, hala, ang liit-liit ko na nga, tapos pataba pa ako, di parang maging kasog na ako niyan.
Hala, ang liit-liit ko na nga, tapos pataba pa ako, di parang maging kasog na ako niyan.
So, I have to find a way na makapag-exercise at syempre kailangan mag-diet. Kasi nung mga previous months ay grabe ang lamon. Andito nga si among babae, mahilig siyang magluto. Luto ng luto, edi kain naman ako ng kain. Eh, hindi ko napapansin na wala. Lumubo na pala ako. So, yun. So, I was doing exercise on my bed from 7 to 8:30. Kasi hindi naman nila ako papasukin dito. Plus, I have to check on my diet. So, I have to go on less eating. Pero, syempre, less eating siya na hindi nako-compromise ang inyong health. So, in the morning, I am making my smoothie. I'm having my breakfast now with my smoothie. This is full of nutrients. I'm going to show you how I made this one. So, please follow along. Let's make this smoothie. I'm sorry about the lighting. The lighting in the kitchen is not so good. So, I have here the ingredients with me. Of course, you need to have a food processor. And I have here instant oatmeal. See? And then I have coconut milk or any coconut milk that you have. Half of a banana. And this is protein. I need protein kasi katatapos ko lang pong mag-exercise. So, kailangan po yan ng masakit na muscles. So, for the oatmeal, half of a cup. That's enough for me. And then, the protein is kalahati lang po siya ng 1/2 cup. Parang 1/4 of a cup. And then I have here flaxseed. If you have flaxseed at home, you can add it also, like a teaspoon. It has fatty acids and a lot of protein also for the flaxseed. It helps suppress your hunger para hindi ka lamon ng lamon. Pour in the milk. It's not necessary na coconut milk. But if you are on a diet, plant-based milk is good.
And then, okay, cover it. Tapos i-blend mo lang siya. It's so easy to make it. It takes less than a minute to blend your food. Your food that is full of nutrients. So basically, this one or all the ingredients that I combine will make 1 cup, and that's enough for me until lunch. All the ingredients that I have put in the blender, lahat po siya is packed with nutrients that your body needed, most especially the protein powder, and also the flaxseed. The flaxseed contains of omega fatty acids that you needed, plus it also contains protein that will suppress your hunger para hindi ka lamon ng lamon. Okay, so it's really yummy. You don't need any sugar. Of course, if you are on a diet, you have to completely cut off sugar from your diet. Alright, so that's my breakfast, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.